Before you head out on your summer holidays, give your ride a T.W.I.R.L check. T. Tyres. Check your tyres for sufficient tread depth. If they're getting low on tread or they've got cracks in the rubber, then you should consider replacing them. And check your tyre pressures too. Pro tip, turn your wheels out so you can see the whole tread face. W. Windscreen, wipers, washers and wing mirrors. Be sure your windscreen is clean and clear both outside and inside. Check your wiper blades are in good condition. Check that your window washer bottle is full and the washer jets are operating. Windscreen cleaners can be helpful too. Wipe your wing mirrors clear of spider webs.
I. Indicators.
Check that your indicators are flashing. Pro tip, press your hazard light switch and take a walk around the car to check each corner lamp is working.
R. Rust.
Rust is a sign of metal corrosion and could weaken the car's structure. Pay close attention to rust around the windscreen and door pillars and frames.
L. Lights.
Check that the lights are working and the lenses are clean. Yellowing or hazy lenses make your lights dimmer. It's a good idea to check the rear brake and reverse lights too.
If you need help getting your ride ready for the summer holidays, then contact your local Mag & Turbo tyre and service centre.